Yo, what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create the famous KEN CARSON texture in After Effects. Right, so I picked up this clip and first thing we gotta do is add a Gaussian blur. Put it to 7. Next add a tint. And then add this thing, I don't know how to pronounce it. And make sure to uncheck that and put it to 31. And then the direction to 304, and then put the width to 7, and then duplicate this effect, Ctrl D, and then put direction to 56, so we have this like a chain effect. And then add a brightness and contrast, and then put the brightness to 46. It depends on your clip, but I'm gonna stick with this number. Alright, so next thing is to add a grain, and then put this to final output, and then put the intensity to 3, and then size to 0.5, and then go to application, and then put the shadows 0. So we only have a grain on highlights, midtones. Oh, and I forgot, go back to the grain. Go to color and bump up the saturation to like 2, so you have more like a rainbow grain. Alright, so next thing is add an unsharp mask. Put the radius to like 32, add a curve, and just do the same curve as I will right now. So make a point here, make a point here. Put this like that, and then this right here. So we have this matte contrast right here. And then add a glow. And then put the radius to 74. And then last thing that we're gonna add is wave warp. Put this thing to square. The height do like -3. And then the width, let's do 10, and the direction, let's put it to 0. So we have this VHS effect right here. And then the wave speed, put it to 5. And just like that, we have a amazing texture in our music video. If you like what you're seeing on the screen, it's actually one of the presets from my Opium texture pack. So if you like those kind of textures, make sure to check link down below for download. Make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.